Hello, everyone. My name is Yining. I am a product engineering manager at Runway. Today, I want to share with you some challenges and learnings we had while building our AI-powered video generation tools for the web and mobile platforms. Over the past decades, video content creation has exploded, with millions of videos being produced and shared daily across various platforms. We have witnessed a huge growth in video creation in many social media platforms. For example, YouTube has 800 million videos hosted on its platform. More than 40 billion photos and videos have been shared on Instagram. Creating videos has become an important part of many people's lives. It allows us to tell our stories and share them with the world. Advancements in AI has brought fascinating opportunities in various fields, including video content creation. AI research has opened up new possibilities for creativity and storytelling. Here is a video made with Runway where people can take a selfie video and turn themselves into claymation characters. There are many different use cases with AI and videos, like automated video editing, visual effects, subtitling, and translations. And Runway has been building many AI magic tools to help people to create videos in the past 4 years. A quick introduction about Runway. Runway is an applied AI research company that builds tools for people to create videos and tell their stories. Here are some videos generated by Runway's text-to-video and image-to-video tools in the background. Over the past 4 years, Runway has been exploring different AI tools that help people to create and edit videos. This is a video editor that allows users to rotoscope objects from a video with only a few clicks. In the past, rotoscoping could be a very time-consuming task because people might need to draw the mask on every single frame in a video. And to do it frame by frame is extremely difficult. With the help of Runway's green screen tool, now creators can just click on the first frame of the video and the model will propagate the mask to the rest of the video for the users. It saves editors a lot of time and effort so they can focus on more important or creative part of the job. Runway is used in the Oscar-winning film Everything Everywhere All at Once. The VFX artist from the film said, "Just a couple clicks can save me several hours." Runway also has a suite of different AI magic tools, including video generation, image generation, video image transformation, audio, and subtitles. But I'd like to focus on the 3 latest video generation tools. The first one is called Video to Video. It allows users to upload an input video, and then they can choose a different text prompt or image prompts, and then it will allow the users to create a transformed, brand new video out of it. And the second tool that I want to talk about is text-to-video. So you can type in a sentence to describe the video that you want, and the tool can generate the videos. For example, if you type in jungles and rivers, and then it can create this video for you. Or waterfalls, or desert, or grass in the fields, or fireworks. This is one of my favorite tools, text-to-video. And the third tool is image-to-video. So you can provide a photo and the tool can create and also create the video that animates the photo for you. A colleague of mine is a photographer, and she took her photos into this tool and create these amazing landscape videos. Now I'd like to talk about some challenges we faced during building those AI video generation tools. The first learning that we have is around compute power. So I think this is one unique problem that AI products or AI company is facing. It's different from other software companies. Content cost plays a very important role in the development of the product. And also in the field of AI, we have learned what is called the bitter lesson, which is that increases in compute are automatically what drives big leaps in the field. The second thing that I want to mention is the importance of continuous deployment. We have been deployed numerous versions of the models ever since we launched the first AI tool. Why are we so obsessed with the real-world deployment? Because we think the effect of generative models is so far-reaching and also transformable. So we would like to make sure that a wider set of people other than just ML researchers is involved in every steps of the way. So users can actually use all the latest models to create their videos. This also brings me to my next point is the close collaboration between research and product team. I think research in a product company is different from a research group in a university or research lab. A research team in the product company is more focused on the users, on the product, on the user experience. That's why at Runway, the designers, engineers, researchers are working together very, very closely to make sure that we can deliver the best UX user experience that are powered by AI models. Another thing that I want to mention is that where to start, because we actually also have the problem, do we start from the research or do we start from the use case? In reality, I think we did both of it. After a few iterations and also a few experience on building the features, we find that actually it might be helpful to start from the research side, because AI research, the time, the direction, or the output are really hard to predict. For a product, we know we have a roadmap. We know we will have something in 2 weeks, in a month. But for research is that the time to get a very desirable output is very hard to be predicted. And we actually have a few successful tryings that we actually start from the research or start from the transformable model results that we have, and then combine it with product, with user experience use cases, and then in the end being able to build a product feature that really provides values to the users, but also powered by AI magic models. At Runway, we started from the web app, but we also realized how accessible and convenient a mobile app is to many creators. So we also introduced Runway iOS app this year. I'd like to talk about some learnings specific to the iOS development. So this is our iOS app. It's on the go. You can record a video, add a prompt, and transform it immediately. During the user interviews, we found users are actually trying out different generations while they are riding the subway. Another learning that we had is that at first we thought users with professional video editing experience might use the desktop app, and beginners and more casual users would use the mobile app. But actually, it turned out that professional users also are using mobile apps a lot because it's so convenient, it's everywhere. Not everyone can have access to a desktop laptop all the time, but everyone have a smartphone. So if it's just on the go, they see something on the subway and then they have a creative idea and then they can just go to the mobile phone and make and start creating. One main challenge that we have while building the iOS app is that how can we build an iOS app in short amount of time? And also, our team was mainly focused on the web development, so we don't have experience in building a mobile app before. But then those are the two main challenges. But in the end, we succeed. We built an iOS app from scratch in 3 months. And this iOS app has a lot of different features. It has all the complete features that an app needs in the App Store. You can sign up with Apple. We have user profile, homepage, library. It has Gen 1 that allows people to record a video from their camera. And of course, we also have in-app purchase, in-app subscriptions, push notifications. Once the generation is done, it will send you a notification to your iOS watch. And I'd like to talk about some decisions that we made in the design, both design and engineering side, that allows us to build this app so quickly and to test with users as well. So one of the design principle that we had is camera first creation. Because our tool, we were building this app for Gen 1 in video to video. And the camera is such an important experience on the phone. So we started all our design from the camera view, and the model also starts with the video. So we are doing it together. We are making sure that it's a camera first experience. Another design principle that we had is never start from scratch. This is a common issue for AI generation tools that not every text or image prompt can lead to a good result. And it actually needs a lot of prompt engineering skills to get really good results. So on the design side, we added all different features to help people to get started with presets, with placeholder text, image input, with inspirational examples. They are all trying to help people to get started so people wouldn't get stuck at the first screen. The third design principle is a component system. We have this component modularized system on both design and engineering side. This allows us to be able to create a design prototype very, very quickly, and also being able to implement it in the code and iterate on that. We also work very closely with the design and engineering teams. On the technical side, how did we build this? And here are our core technologies. We used React. We chose React for many good reasons. The first one is it has a really good community support. There are a lot of libraries and also very good communities that can answer questions too. We were able to set up a lot of different libraries and achieve a lot of complicated features in short amount of time. And React Native is also supporting different platforms. It supports iOS and also Android apps. And on the CI/CD side, we are using Expo. Expo is really easy to set up and it has seamless integration with the React Native. We will be able to build the app, submit the app, release the app very, very quickly. So Expo also helped us in the process of building this iOS app in very short amount of time. And how is the mobile development different from the webs. On the technical side, because it's a different device, there are so many new interactions. We have gestures, animations, and also technically the routing is also different from the web app. And then we also run into a lot of issues on the processes because we also have to submit this iOS app to the App Store. We tried to submit it for a few times, but then to get it approved, we run into some issues related to the in-app purchase and in-app subscriptions. But in the end, everything turned out to be great. So this is some learnings that we had when we're building the iOS app. After sharing those learnings and challenges that we had when we're building those tools, I'd also like to share some short films that are made by individual users as a way to look into the near future. I think it's really hard to predict the future. So I think the only way to predict the future is to build it. So I want to show you some films that are made by users. Hopefully in the very, very near future, we can improve all those different video generation tools, and there will be more short films that are created by individuals who don't have experience in films or movies or video editing, but who would like to tell their stories to the world. This is the first video. It's using the image to video tool, and I just love the quality, the render quality of this film. I think it's such a high quality short film. And this one is built also with image to video. Look at all those highly detailed character renders in this film. I was actually really so impressed by the model results. And the last short film made by users is using video to video tool. So he took a short selfie video of himself and then transformed himself into so many different characters. I really like the possibility that Gen 1 brings us to. It's kind of like everything everywhere all at once. It really can make our imaginations to come true. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to discuss more of those learnings with you. Thank you.